Morning guys! Today I'm going on a little mini road trip out to La Belle in Quebec, and my friends and I planned out this cottage trip. We planned out since September. Let's head on over to my friend's place, let's pick them up, let's go on this road trip and have a good time.
Oh, he's calling backseat. That means I gotta stay awake. Fine, we'll switch
I'm sleeping
though.
for a bit and then I'm gonna rotate with
Fine, we'll switch.
drive.
We'll switch.
Man, you guys try to act like the front seat is a bad thing. It's a good thing.
Yeah, no, it is a bad thing. No one's fighting for a shotgun in this car.
Welcome to the vlog.
I'm a little shaky.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head.
After a long 6.5-hour drive from Toronto, we finally made it over to our cottage / Airbnb, and we were amazed by how nice this place looks. Like, look at it. It's fully logged, shiny, whatever you want to call it, and as anyone would do when you arrive there, you're gonna explore this place. So I think we went upstairs right after this scene, and we've noticed 2 bedrooms and they link together. And we also noticed that there was a jacuzzi, and not sure why we're too excited about it, but here's our reaction to that.
Yeah.
No way!
That's a jacuzzi!
Let's see.
That's
Yeah, I want to go in it.
Yo! Oh, what?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yo, MTV Cribs, welcome to my place.
Well, the bad news is that it wasn't MTV Cribs, but it is good enough to be placed on YouTube. So then after this, we were in search for a room that accommodated 3 people, and we went to the basement and found one that had a bunk bed and 1 bed on the sides, and here's what it looked like. Yo, so is this the one you want? We're gonna stay here?
Yeah, this is our room.
Honestly, I didn't really care where I slept as long as it's somewhere soft, so then I ended up choosing this bottom bunk over here. And then after this, I decided to play pool with my friend Simon, and here's him struggling to hit the ball. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? That's weak!
Bro, I don't play pool.
You don't need to play pool to know how to hit it.
I'm gonna hit it.
I have no idea, but somehow I ended up still losing. So then I joined my friend Anne while she got ready in the washroom. Where are we right now, Anne?
We are at La Belle in Mont-Tremblant.
Really? I don't
We're
even
at
know
a
where we are.
cottage.
Okay.
And Frank just got us here safely.
It was
5:30.
dark. Took like, how long did it take
It
to
was
get there?
scary.
6 hours? 6
It
hours.
was
How long does it take to
5
put on
hours.
makeup? It probably takes at
I'm
least...
doing
Yo, Julie's here!
Yes,
Yo.
another makeup artist.
You guys don't know this, but these 2
I'm not a
have the
professional.
same last name. I'm not related to them.
No, you're the Huynh I never knew of. Well,
But I don't even speak Vietnamese.
Yeah, but I'm half Chinese too, so yeah, it's pretty common for Viets.
yeah.
And that was pretty much it for the first night. I would say the first day was generally a lot more relaxing just because everyone was pretty much tired from having to commute 6.5 hours from Toronto, that we didn't have much effort other than cooking dinner before going to sleep. The following morning, I woke up very early. No good reason other than, well, that's what happens when you work 9 to 5. Your Saturdays and Sundays, you can't tell the difference between a weekday. So then I rolled into bed, did some video editing before deciding to prank my friends at the cottage very early in the morning by waking them up and throwing a pillow at them. Yeah, I know, it's super immature. Okay, it's right. Okay. Alright. So, it's... What time is this time? It's 9 in the morning. Who's ringing the doorbell this time? We're gonna wake up Tony and Jake. This is just... Good morning!
Excited for breakfast? What are we having for breakfast?
Apparently French toast.
What are the girls cooking for breakfast?
I just told you, apparently French toast.
Okay, cool. I'm excited. It smells really good in here.
Hey, Tony, how'd you like how I jumped on your bed?
Look over there. You see the birds?
Yes.
No, flip on this so you can look at the aesthetic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 7 in the morning.
It's 10 in the morning.
What are we gonna do today? Ultimate breakfast challenge. And well, unfortunately, there was no ultimate breakfast challenge food test, but there was French toast. here is my friend Tony, and he's actually moving to New York next month. And here's his opinion about moving over there to the States. What's your opinion going to New York City?
We're not leaving him. He's leaving us.
I'm not leaving. You guys are not leaving me.
Okay, how do you feel about leaving us?
I'm not leaving you. My heart will always be with you.
What's your thoughts of this cottage so far?
I like it. It's beautiful. It's very remote.
What's your thoughts of the place so far?
It's pretty good.
So after brunch, we decided to head over to the spa in Mont-Tremblant, and there was a section at this location that actually leads you over to the lake water that's freezing cold. And you know, knowing myself, I decided why not give it a try, and I lasted maybe, well, looks like 2 seconds before deciding it was too cold. So around this time, we just finished the spa, and although we're super hungry, I remember at this time, we decided to head over to the village, Mont-Tremblant Village. It's super nice. A lot of people actually come here to go skiing or snowboarding, but we noticed when we got here that they offered free gondolas on the way up. So we decided to head over to take the gondolas, of course, and on the way up and down, there's just an amazing view. Maybe it was because it was raining and in the evening, but although it was raining, it was a good experience overall.
I'ma take and push through, push through. I'ma take and push through, push through you. I'ma take and push through you.
All I could remember was when we got to the top, it started raining really, really hard. So we only stayed here for like a short period of time. But I remember the village itself looking super pretty. Like, look at this place. This is something that would come out of the Harry Potter books. And if anyone does know Harry Potter, this reminds me of Diagon Alley. Yeah, Diagon Alley. There's no Voldemort living here. And after a full day at the spa and the village, we went back to the cottage and we were starving, so we were very lucky to have hot pot that some of our friends made in preparation for us. And essentially, for those of you who aren't aware of hot pot, it's essentially all these items that you see here, and you cook it into a pot that's usually on the middle of the table that's filled with broth, and you distribute the food items from there. That's pretty much it for the vlog and my cottage trip out in La Belle. The rest of the evening we did gift exchange, had a little more food and drinks. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Expect new videos in the new year, and peace.
I'ma take and push through you.